Hi everyone, hope you're all well. The coffee has been acquired, so let's get the drone in the air. Today I'm at sunny Lymington Harbour, and today's a little bit of a bonus video if I'm honest. Today I was going to get the drone up and show off all the tricks and the practice that I'd put in on the liftoff simulator, but today is very windy and this DJI AVATA 2 does not like the wind, and as you can see by the footage, I'm barely just about to keep it in a straight line. So I'll save all of those tricks for the next video. So just enjoy the next couple of minutes and the footage I was able to get of the beautiful harbour. As always guys, like the video if you can, leave a comment down below and subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching.